Hi everyone, Mohammed Ahsan here. So I wanted to make today's video because I got a few messages from friends thinking about putting all of their money in cryptocurrency and more specifically Bitcoin. Now, as you've probably seen, the Bitcoin has broken its $20,000 barrier yesterday and now it's around about $23,000. Similarly, other cryptocurrencies have also gone higher. Ethereum is at $660 right now. Other cryptocurrencies have also surged. Everyone is saying now that Bitcoin has broken this $20,000 barrier. Now it's going to reach the skies. It's going to go reach $100,000 by the end of next year. And even $250,000 per Bitcoin. Some even say it'll reach $1 million. In this video, I just want to say that you have to treat Bitcoin and cryptocurrency not as your typical investment. It's something different. The first thing is most of the people don't understand what Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies actually are, how they work, how the code is behind. They just think it's another form of currency that they can buy and then they can utilize it afterwards when they need it. Unfortunately, it's not like that, and you need certain understanding in order to know how the cryptocurrency market behaves. For that, let's have a look at what happened in 2017. So Bitcoin was round about $1,000 in March of 2017. Its growth was exponential and it reached $19,140 in December 2017, and then after that it just dropped, and the people who bought it at 19,000, the investment went down all the way to $6,955 in May of 2018. It saw a few peaks and then it went down again, a few peaks, down again. Again in December 2018, it went all the way back to $3,486. So just imagine if you had bought it at 19,000 in December of 2017 and seeing all of that money go down from 19,000 to 3,400, that would have been pretty devastating. In March 2020, it went again back to 5,000. Since October 2020, it has gone parabolic again, and since yesterday, it's gone crazy. Since within one day from 19,000 to 23,000. And this is mostly because many people are looking at the graph and thinking they have missed out at a great opportunity and they want to go in, buy some Bitcoin and don't miss out in this great opportunity, and they think that it will go higher and higher. I'm not saying that it will go down again that much, as in 2017 the rally was because of retail investors, and now it's a mixture of retail and institutional buyers, and I don't think that it will stay higher than 20,000 for the short term at least, and it will go down, because think of the people who bought it at 20,000 or 19,000 in 2017. What if the same thing happens? And if you put all of your money in one basket, it's a lot of risk. And if you are thinking of doing that, be careful. If anything happens, you bought it at $23,000 and it went back to 20,000, even 16, 17,000, you'll lose $5,000 at once. The best thing would be to inform yourself, read into it, how cryptocurrency works, what kind of cryptocurrency you're looking into. If you're looking into Bitcoin, just read into it and see how it is, how you can store it, and if you're not careful, you'll lose that also. Additionally, there are other cryptocurrencies, and many people think that because Bitcoin is going higher, Ethereum is going higher, other smaller cryptocurrencies will go higher, and people will try to scam you into thinking that a new cryptocurrency will go as high as Bitcoin, or it will show similar growth as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and they might be scamming you. So that is also another thing that you need to be careful about. So right now I don't have a big position in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, but as I've said in my Bitcoin introduction video, I'll put that in the description, but my strategy is dollar cost averaging into cryptocurrency, at least diversifying them into Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, and using only that money which I won't need in the short term, because as you've seen, the cryptocurrency market is very volatile and you can lose a lot of money very quickly. So what I'm doing right now is I'm dollar cost averaging in every week some amount in Ethereum, some amount in Bitcoin. I'll keep on buying at small intervals. I'm putting small amounts into the market, so the risk is being minimized as well as the reward. But at least if Bitcoin goes down, I will not have that much loss because I have dollar cost average in going the way up, and I'll keep on investing when there's a dip. So the risk is mitigated from my side. And as mentioned, I will only use the money that I don't think that I'll need in the short term, so that even if there's a big loss, eventually it will be recovered, but it might take a few years, as it has been seen in the past. Will it reach 100,000, 250,000, $1 million? I don't think so, but I also don't think that it will go back even to a couple of thousand, because at the moment many institutions are also investing into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So I don't think it will go down that much very fast. But again, this market is very volatile. Anything that goes parabolic, be careful, because people will sell their positions to get profit. If you want to learn more, I have smaller videos and other detailed videos on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I'll put them down in the description below. If you have any other questions, write them down in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if there are certain complex questions, I'll try to make a video on that question. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next video. Plug Gazun.